Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Shark Robot error code 7. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there's a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. So first thing we need to do is we need to identify the error. Now when encountering the error code 7 on your Shark Robot, it's indicating a specific problem related to the cliff sensors. So these sensors are crucial for the robot to navigate and avoid falling off edges or stairs. Now, you need to understand the causes here. So this error typically arises due to either dirt accumulation or physical damage affecting the functionality of the clip sensors. Over time, dusts, debris, and grime can accumulate on the sensors, hindering their ability to accurately detect edges. Now, what you need to do is you need to clean the cliff sensors. Start by powering off the Shark Robot using the power button located on its side, and carefully flip the robot over to access the underside where the cliff sensors are located. Using a clean microfiber cloth or cotton cloth, gently wipe away any dust or dirt that may have collected on the clip sensors. Ensure thorough cleaning to restore the sensor sensitivity and accuracy. Now, what you need to do next is you need to test the robot. After cleaning the clip sensors, power the robot back on by pressing the power button on the on position. Set the robot to its cleaning mode and allow it to operate for a brief period while observing its movements. Watch for any signs of improvement in its ability to detect edges or obstacles. Now, if that doesn't work, you might need to replace the clip sensors. If cleaning the sensors doesn't resolve the error, it may indicate the sensors are damaged beyond repair. Consider purchasing replacement clip sensors compatible with your Shark Robot model. Follow the manufacturer's instructions or seek guidance from their user manual to safely replace these sensors. Or installing new sensors should restore the robot's functionality and eliminate the error code. Now, if that doesn't work, you might need to seek a professional help if needed. Now, in instances where cleaning or replacing the clip sensors doesn't rectify the issue, it's advisable to seek assistance from a professional repair service. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.